Hello everyone and welcome to the Krown's magical crypto. Let's talk about dildos and flashlights.
Well. We're back once again. It's a beautiful new start to the week. It's a Monday. I'm turning the volume down. There we go. Perfectly done. And of course, as always, want to be wishing you the best. Want to be wishing you the happiest, the best. Yeah, so, when it comes down to it, if you want to make trading easy for yourself, that's essentially what I'm looking at right here. Whichever one happens first, that's going to be the next big direction. Whether it's to the upside and we march on towards 6,200, I'd imagine 6,300 becomes very, very likely at that point, maybe even 7,000, a couple months away. Or we take out this area and do the more bearish route. Big play on our hands, more than 10% trade, and that's really what I'm waiting on right now. Now, it does look bearish to me on all of the spot exchanges. All the US dollar exchanges look bearish to me. But here's the thing. If I go over here to Finex, I would be really fucking bullish looking at Finex right here. Finex looks incredibly powerful. The weekly on Finex closed very, very well. And if I was looking at just Finex, I'd be saying we're gearing up for a move into the 6,000s right now. Special shout out to Shawl for giving me this very beautiful gift. A very beautiful gift. It's actually from him and his daughter. You can't just call up Satoshi Nakamoto and say, hey, I sent my Bitcoins to the wrong address. Is there anything that I can do? He's going to say, ring, ring, hello, please. Go fuck yourself. Bad. Wow, bad. Fucking bad.
Guys,
Jesus, bad.
there was an 81% drop.
What the fuck?
Any
man?
news?
Oh my god. By the way, SPYs are like 10 cents away from making new highs. Holy shit, we made new highs. We have new highs on SPY. Holy fuck.
Like a cobra.
The bull market that never ends. It never ends. It never ends. Guys, I'm doubling down on my investments. Guys, do you think that it's just a bunch of FUD that's coming into the market and bringing Singularity Net down before they pump it up because the institutions are going to buy in and Disney's going to buy this bitch up and then fucking Comcast's going to buy it up and we're going to go to the goddamn moon?
Any news?
Or your founders are dumping red dildos right on your faces all night long, and they are getting shoved down your mouth hole and then go out your bunghole. Just the opposite way of a bullish dildo. Those bags are gonna be heavy as fuck, man. Start deadlifting those, and you're gonna be stronger than Schwarzenegger soon enough. It's too many letters right there. Five symbols for a ticker. Fuck that. No one's remembering that shit. No way. They're just going to go out with a fucking bang, man. They know that they're caught. They know that everyone fucking knows. They're just going to pump this bitch up, try to make as much money as possible, and then buy Elon Musk's shuttle to fucking Mars before this whole thing comes back and bites them in the asshole. So yeah, with regards to Bitcoin right now, if you want to make it easier for yourself, it's the same thing that we were saying on Mrs. Litecoin. I believe it was right over here. I want to briefly show this actually. When Mrs. Litecoin got the golden cross right over here and was grinding the blue 377 exponential moving average and above basically all the other major moving averages. So to me, we have essentially the same setup with regards to what's going on right now. And my rule is that when you do have the golden cross going on, I'm not bearish against anything like that until we actually. Well, I mean, not necessarily bearish, but I wouldn't be looking for shorts, like, bigger shorts until we actually break the yellow 20 exponential moving average right over here, which we are very obviously not doing right now. In fact, Bitcoin's rallying off of it as this cross diverges away from each other. The green 50 and the purple 200 is what I'm referring to. So that's telling us that the trend is getting stronger to the upside. Do we have new all-time highs to start the month? We do. Holy fucking moly. It's a goddamn green dildo party in the traditional markets, and they are so goddamn strong that they put Bitcoin in its backpack, and now they're carrying it onto Mount Doom. Definitely. Wow. Holy shit. This one hit my first target real fast. Holy shit. That was not expected. Right at 235. My lower target is somewhere down around about 210. Bitcoin going to the moon. What the fuck was that, man? Yep. I think that we likely did we're kind of putting in a top right here. Are we putting in a top right here? Jesus, this chart, I've been using this chart for a while. We need exactly two lines on this one. One right here and one right here. That's it. That's fucking it. All right. Oh my God.
Guys, there was an 81% drop. Any news?
What is this? What is this, man? What is this? What is this? You don't need me to tell you that this is this is garbage. It trades on HIT BTC. Now we're really fucked. Jesus Christ. I'm neither bullish nor bearish on it though. Pretty sideways. What number even is this? Is it literally zero? It's literally zero. You might be you might be trading a shitcoin, my friend. You might, if your shitcoin is worth literally zero. I've almost never seen this. I don't think I've ever seen this. Okay, it's worth 1,000 satoshis.
Oh, Binance a coin. We are see EOS. We are looking for a bouncer here. I want to see bounce to 9,500 Satosh.
Mom! You lazy bitch! I'm gonna sue you! And if you don't clean my fleshlight, I'm gonna sue you again! Tell them that I'm Satoshi! You gotta tell them I'm Satoshi, Mom! Mom, I fucking hate you! Just tell them I'm Satoshi! I promise! I'll clean my room! I'll be a good boy! Mom! Can you spank me? Mom! I don't know if that's Data Dash or CSW anymore. Nicholas Martin's here with Data Dash, and today is May 1st of 2019. Okay, so my fleshlight's still dirty. Fleshlight's still dirty. God damn it, Mom! You lazy bitch! I haven't been paying you 2,000 strat coins for nothing! God, I fucking hate you. God, that Nicholas Martins guy is so fucking disrespectful to his mother. And the way that I look at this is that, just keep it simple on the daily. We got the golden cross right over here. We're above all major moving averages. No real reason to be bearish, in my opinion, as long as we have a setup like that. Now, when it comes down to it, if I do look at our oscillators on the daily, we do have daily Stokes having a fresh cross the upside. I do like that, especially when breaking a major resistance like that, getting that fresh Stoke cross on a daily dodo time frame, right kind of at the edge of the bearish control zone as well. Does tell me that this cross wants to get played out. The golden cross on the daily, which this is an exponential moving average golden cross, which is significantly more powerful than a simple moving average golden cross. If it was just simple moving average golden cross, which we actually got about like a week and a half ago, you can see that it was still a little bit iffy, right? But once we got this one right over here, price getting reaccumulated right at the yellow 20-month exponential moving average, and this is my guide now. Let it guide your nice little dildos up and higher. As long as we're above this area, I don't really, for me, there's no real big like downside trade until the yellow 20-month exponential moving average is broken. Now, of course, that doesn't mean that it can't break, but if it did, the next trade that I'd be looking for is a short down here, down towards 48.50ish area, give or take a few bucks. No NVAX. I actually do think that we're probably in a simulation as well, man. But that should be an empowering type thing, man. If you can do anything, then fucking do anything. This is not what you want to be leading your simulation, your simulation dreams, though, my friend. This is a dog shit chart. Holy fuck. Holy fuck. And so this one just had earnings. So yeah, man, and this is a great example of shit stocks fall into their earnings. Powerful stocks rise like the Cobra into their earnings. This one obviously taking the southern route, and this one's back. This one's a fucking penny stock after being a legitimate name, man. Yo, what's up, Chris Dominator? You forgot to say hello, motherfucker. It's like Chris Dominator hospitality. You gotta love it. And Bitcoin looking strong and powerful. Ooh, another $4, $4.50. This is crazy. $5. Holy shit! I'm rich again. Probably gonna put in some time going sideways, and then I'd look for it to trust higher. All right, Bitcoin 53.92 and a half. Okay, Bitcoin. Ooh, I'll wick up to 53.98. These buyers are getting powerful, man. Show me how thick you can get. Yeah, of course. Right over here. Ooh, actually did catch a little bit of a bid. Wow. I'm gonna be wrong in this one too. So I am looking for a further pullback on this one, but I'm gonna have to take that back, man. I'm gonna be wrong on this. This got reaccumulated on the 21. What's likely to happen here is we're probably if this thing closes today anywhere above like $23, I'd be looking to be a buyer on any sort of a pullback down to about $22.50 ish area. 22.60 to be exact. This one's gonna try again, man. Wow, powerful BNB. Even with the Stokes moving down, that's at some point I do want to see it retest this area, but I guess that's gonna be postponed for a little while. Ugh. It's like Bitcoin, moving up there, 54.05. Holy moly! Bit Mexico going crazy right now. Let's see if we can get this target. Right now. On Binance, bad, really bad, really bad, really bad, holy fuck bad, oh my god bad, what the fuck, man?
Please help. Send money.
Gonna be good. Self key. This sounds like a very good one. Oh man, It just goes down. It just goes down. You motherfucker. You piece of shit keys. Self key. What is this for, man? I need to know what this is for. So got to separate the lower time frames from the higher time frames. Going over here to the 3-day digital time frame, we do see that Bitcoin's going to be extremely likely to confirm above this purple 200 exponential moving average. Which, yes, at some point in time, if we do come back down around there, I would be looking for that to be the impetus of support. And here's the thing: all of these major moving averages are converging around about 53 to 54 ish areas. So keep that area in mind. It's going to be a massive pivot for Bitcoin going forward. Overall, major resistance right at 5,800. It's very, to me, I do think that Bitcoin probably puts in some time grinding this area out, maybe makes another run towards 5,800. But ultimately, I do not believe that we're going to be breaking this resistance until we actually come back down and retest about 56 at the very least. 56 would be my first support. If this area fails, I'd look for a move back down to about 55 or a little bit under 55. Now, on the off chance that I'm wrong and that we actually do take out 5,800 to the upside, I would be looking for a move over to likely about 6,150, probably 6,150 into the 6,000s actually. Well, maybe like 5,900 first, but yeah, maybe 5,900 first, but 6,150 would be a more likely target for like a long term if we do break this area, which I do think probably does happen over time. But that's probably that might be like weeks away. More recent price action, this is what I'm looking at right over here. Resistance right here, 58. I do think that we probably grind this area out. Probably does come back down, consolidate a little bit lower, and then we try higher. I want to be wishing you a very happy and safe and SAFU and just a nice just have a great weekend. Have a great rest of your Friday. Have a great weekend. Have a great whatever day you're celebrating right now. I'm wishing well for you, and take care and see you soon.